Ever pondered how a simple tweak in your roof can drastically transform the curb appeal of your home? It's a fascinating concept, isn't it? This is where the magic of thoughtful roofing choices comes into play. Imagine a majestic house, a beautiful yard, but an outdated, worn-out roof. It's like a splendid painting framed in weathered wood. The roof, believe it or not, is a key element that significantly contributes to the aesthetics of your home. It's the crown that complements the beauty of your castle. So how do you choose a roof that enhances the curb appeal? It's not rocket science, and we're going to break it down into simple, easy-to-understand steps. Step 1. Evaluate your home's architectural style. Every house has a unique character and style. From Victorian to modern, from ranch to colonial, the architecture of your home should guide your roofing choice. Step 2. Understand the role of color. The color of your roof can either make or break the look of your home. It's not just about your favorite shade, but about what complements the overall color scheme of your house and the surrounding landscape. Step 3. Consider the material. Roofing materials vary from asphalt shingles to metal, slate, and even wood. Each material has its own charm and practical advantages. Your choice should balance aesthetics, durability, and cost. Step 4. Don't forget the details. Things like texture, pattern, and roof accessories can add an extra touch of elegance to your home. Now let's summarize the key points about enhancing curb appeal through roofing choices. Firstly, evaluate your home's architectural style. Your roof should match the style of your house, enhancing its unique character. Secondly, color plays a vital role. Choose a roof color that complements the overall color scheme of your house and the surrounding landscape. Thirdly, consider the roofing material. It's not just about looks. You need to factor in durability and cost as well. Finally, pay attention to the details. A bit of texture, a unique pattern, or a stylish roof accessory can elevate the look of your home to a whole new level. So, there you have it. A simple tweak in your roof can indeed make a world of difference. Remember, your home is a reflection of your personality, and the roof is an integral part of that reflection. Make a wise choice and let your home shine with all its glory. Don't forget to share this with your friends and subscribe for more such interesting insights. For more information, feel free to reach out on 647-760-7663 or visit www.ronovations.ca. Until next time, keep shining, folks.